Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start on Coinmarketcap by searching the coin name or ticker, then open its dedicated page. Use the Buy button or Markets tab to reveal partner exchanges and on-ramp providers that accept fiat. Check payment methods listed, debit, credit, or bank transfer, and note estimated fees between 0, 5% and 3%. Copy the exchange or provider link, then confirm the market pair shown, for example BTC/USD or USD pair, so you know which asset and currency you will purchase on the partner platform. Before committing, compare listed exchanges for price and liquidity. Low liquidity can cause slippage. Review deposit and purchase limits. Many providers impose a 0 minimum or higher for fiat on-ramps. Create or sign into your chosen exchange account, complete KYC verification with ID, set a strong password, and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. If buying tokens, confirm the correct blockchain network and token contract address to avoid mistakes, and note minimum on-chain amounts and expected confirmation counts. Execute your purchase on the partner exchange or on-ramp. Choose a market order for instant execution or a limit order to target price. Pay with card or bank transfer as available, then review the transaction receipt and any exchange fees, commonly 0, 5% to 3%. For custody, withdraw purchased crypto to your personal wallet promptly, checking network fees and typical confirmation counts, which often range from 3 to 12 depending on chain. Save receipts, record transaction ID, and store private key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.